Hello friends, I'm excited to introduce you a new exciting course which is called Money Fast. And this course will help you to manifest money, specifically money. If you want to make any other dreams come true, that's a different course. I also have a course on creating your own reality, which is very connected, but it's more general. The most important step in any manifestation process is your own clarity. That is knowing specifically what you want. In my experience working with people have vague ideas about what they want, and so they have vague results. Another problem is that the desires can be contradictory without us even knowing about it. So when we project our mind into the space, which have everything for us, the space of the universe has infinite amount of what you want ready to deliver to you. You just have to ask and be clear about it. But when we have many different desires that are kind of like going in a different direction, the space is stuck, and nothing. We'll be learning how to align our desires with each other so they don't run like this, but they run in parallel, and they're delivered in the to the space clearly and ecologically, and then space will deliver back. And the better we are at doing this, the faster and more precise we get what we want. So I'll go over generally, and in the course we'll go, of course, much deeper in every process so that you have that clarity. But generally, I'll tell you there are a couple of steps. And step number one is to know specifically what you want, to dig to the true desire. For example, we can say that I want a better job so that I have more money. So in this wish, you need to determine what do you want, a better job or more money. Because if your core desire is to have more money, then you just need to specifically say, I want more money. And of course, we need to determine how much more specifically. But so the job shouldn't be even in in the formula, because it's becoming confusing for the world. Now it's trying to get you a better job, but the better job for you might be something that satisfies you more. Maybe it's a better people around. And so the world gives you a better job, but then, the money part is kind of weak there. It's not necessarily much more. So you see, like emotionally, learning to use our emotional compass and ability to really go deep into our own psyche, in our soul, and be really honest with yourself. That is the most important thing here. So that's step number one. And that leads me to step number two, which is neutralizing money blocks. We have desires, but then we have massive amounts of negative programming, ancestral programming, social programming in regards to money. And that programming is kind of like in the background. We don't even think about it too much, but it's there and it's blocking. Consciously or unconsciously blocking the currency coming to you in the form that you want it to come. So I'll have the whole class on how to specifically remove money blocks. As soon as you do that, you will immediately feel an increase in the cash flow. without even being clear of how much you want, you will see the difference. When I did this work, as soon as I removed the money blocks, and it took me a couple of weeks, that was a significant change. Now, the point next point, I forgot which number it is, but keeping it clean. It's a general rule for all manifestation, but it's a crucial, because again, the space is protective of other people. You cannot involve, consciously or unconsciously, other people benefiting from you having lots of money, because you assuming that somebody will feel better or be better off if you have lots of money. The money has to be only for you, honestly, only for you. And you might think, oh my gosh, it's so selfish. No, it's selfish using other people in your interests, emotional interests. Like, let's say you want to be lovable, or you want to be accepted by your peers or by the society, by other people, if you are rich. And it means that you looking for acceptance or you're looking for love, and it's again contradictory with money. It's not the money desire. And if you're masking your love desire with money desire, you're not gonna get, it's gonna be stuck and nothing gonna move. You're gonna be in the same place. So in this class, we will be learning how to again clarify and untangle all this confusion in your mind and determine what you really want and how to get the love, but also how to get the money. You can have both, but they shouldn't be tangled together. It's a separate thing. All right, so if you're ready to dive deeper in money fasting, into fast money receiving mode, then go ahead with the first class. You can sign up, you can register. The course is already built, and I will be now recording it. And on YouTube, you might have access to some of the material for free, and on my website it's a paid course. It's not expensive, but still it's paid course. So keep an eye on new posts and follow me on the Instagram Anya Deva, TikTok Anya Deva, YouTube channel also Anya Deva, website is also Anya Deva, for more material on this coming class. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.